I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After near record highs in the mid to upper 80s and mostly critical fire conditions this afternoon, isolated to scattered thunderstorms develop along and behind a southward sinking cold front this evening. There is a marginal risk of level 1 of 5 of severe storms for west central, and northeastern Nebraska this evening through just after midnight. Main threats are quarter-size hail and wind gusts up to 60. Rain is more widespread after midnight through tomorrow and mostly along and north of I-80. Scattered rain and some snow also possible with a wave of low pressure tomorrow night through Sunday. Slushy snow accumulations of less than an inch are possible along and west of a line from O'Neill to Broken Bow, North Platte, McCook, and Goodland. Highs bottom out in the 40s Sunday before a rebound into the 60s by Tuesday. Rain and thunderstorm chances return with the approach of fairly strong low pressure Monday night through Tuesday night. The most likely time is Tuesday night before winding down on Wednesday. Total rainfall from now through the middle of next week is likely to range from 20 hundredths to 90 hundredths. The long-term forecast looking mild. Warmer than normal temperature is likely Wednesday through April 10th in Nebraska and Kansas. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation indicated to be above normal Wednesday through April 10th. Key weather factors influencing the markets include a big storm for most of the U.S. this weekend that's followed by heavy rain in the Delta and Midwest, mostly dry weather in western wheat areas of the southern plains, lower soil moisture in Brazil, and the end of heavy rain across Argentina. Much warmer than normal temperatures start the weekend from the central and southern plains to the mid and southern Atlantic coast. Highs today reach into the upper 80s to near 90 from Nebraska southward. A cold front pushes southeastward this weekend, bringing colder than normal temperatures to the central and southern plains on Sunday. A pair of storms result in moderate to heavy snow north of the front from South Dakota into the Great Lakes and New England. A transition to a wintry mix and rain expected farther south, while the cold front triggers locally heavy rain and thunderstorms from the lower Mississippi Valley into the southeast. A moisture-laden disturbance over the western Gulf Coast weakens, but still produces locally heavy rain as far east as the Delta. Expanding and intensifying drought in the Dakotas and over the southern plains continues to negatively impact winter wheat and pastures. Two storms move through next week, spreading rain through the U.S., but mostly missing the key western wheat areas of the southern plains. Across the Midwest and Delta, additional heavy rain is possible next week, further delaying field work. In central and southern Brazil, light rain continues through next week, but more is needed to overcome low soil moisture for developing second crop corn. Towards Argentina, beneficial rains for corn and soybeans are ending as most crops head into maturity. Recent rain in Argentina may have caused delays to the corn harvest. Europe is seeing overall good conditions for winter wheat, although the Northeast could use more rain. Early field work for corn and other spring-sown crops in the northwest part of Europe should see beneficial conditions. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.